Good afternoon and welcome to Doggy Strolls. I am Reagan Bierma, founder of Doggy Strolls Dog Walking Services. I've been in business for just over 5 weeks. I created Doggy Strolls as a mom of 2, currently on maternity leave because of my itch to get out of the house and give the poor animals in my neighborhood some much needed exercise and playtime from the long winter weather. Many dogs I see have been held in kennels or stuck to the realms of inside the house. My ultimate goal for Doggy Strolls was a 30-minute walk 5 times a week. The decision to go with a dog walking service was solidified when I did research to see what other types of dog walking companies existed in my area. According to Care.com, there are 14 other providers, all of which charge $10+ per hour. The striking point that sets me above the rest is my willingness to go walking despite what the weather is doing. My financial outcome was $91 in revenue after 5 weeks. I had 4 total customers and a couple more came to me after the fact of wrapping up the business. My price was a low $7 per week per dog. The dogs that were a part of my service were 4-year-old Indy, 2-year-old Loki, 7-year-old Nico, who's quite spry for his age, and 4-year-old Moose. Having gone through the process of carrying out my own business, I would do things a little differently. I'd start marketing much earlier than when my official launch date was, and if I were to hold another service such as dog walking, I'd think about details like animal size and strength. It ended up being rather difficult walking 3 large dogs at a time, especially when distractions crossed their path, hence the cat in the first photo. Future growth is positive for Doggy Strolls. With the weather getting nicer each day, the need for more exercise is strong. Because of the positive response to dog walking, I could look into increasing my pricing to create a bigger revenue. I'd be willing to schedule more dog walks as well if the client base asked for such. An additional employee is not needed at this time, but with future growth potential, the idea is never far away. Thank you for being here again and welcome to Doggy Strolls.